Hi guys, and welcome to this exciting tutorial where I'll be showing you how you can make a gypsy gathered skirt with very easy steps. So this is a very beginner friendly tutorial. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up so that you won't miss out whenever I post new sewing tutorials. So before we start making the dress, I want to explain a few calculations that you need to know. So in order to make the gypsy dress, you have to know that it's connected on the waistline. So the first thing you have to do is get your waist circumference measurement and multiply it by 1.5. So whatever you find after calculating your waist circumference is what you're going to cut the first layer of fabric. For example, if your waist was 30 inches, multiplied by 1.5, it will be 45 inches. So this first fabric will be 45 inches, and the second fabric will be the 45 that you calculated, further multiplied by 1.5. That will be the fabric requirement for the second layer. Then for the third one, you keep doing the same. Whatever you calculated on the second one, further multiply it by 1.5, and so on and so forth. If you want more layers, you keep multiplying by 1.5. Having done that, let's get to the making of the dress. So let's assume this is the first one, which was waist divide or multiply by 1.5. That's the first one, and this is the second layer of multiply the second answer by 1.5. And the third one, you do the same and multiply it by 4.5. Then place the layers as seen. Then the next thing that you're going to do is, after placing the layers, you're going to make gathers on your layers. So if you have a gathering foot, you can go ahead and make the gathers. But if you don't have a gathering foot, I'll show you an easy technique on how to make gathers with your needle and thread. So this is my needle and thread. I'm just going to make long stitches. You can also do it on the sewing machine. You can just take this fabric on the sewing machine and take it on the longest stitch, then start stitching. So we're just going to make our first gather, as you can see. Then after you finish making your first gather, attach it to your waist. Then you move on to the next gather. You do the same. Then you're going to attach the second one to the first one with this on the sewing machine. You'll go on to do the same on the third one. So this second gather is going to attach to the hemline of the first one. You take it to the sewing machine and sew it right there. Then for the third one, you'll make gathers as well and attach it to the hemline too. So this is how you easily make your gypsy gathered dress. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful.